How to search for groups on Roblox Mobile. To search for groups on Roblox Mobile, follow these steps. It is a very simple process, so just follow along. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Roblox app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Roblox. If you see an update option, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Roblox application. In Roblox, at the bottom, you will see different kind of icons. At the bottom right corner, you will see the three dot icon named as More. Click on that. Now here you will see different kind of sections. Under the section Profile, you will see the Groups option. Click on the Groups option to enter it. After you enter it, you will see an interface like this. At the very top, you will see the search icon. Click on the search bar and you can search for the group that you want to be a part of. If you want to create your own group, then you can even click on Create Group at the top to create your own group. After you find the group that you would like to join, click on Join Group to join it. If you want to join a private group, then you will need to have an invite link. But since this is a public group, anyone can join. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.